Hey guys, Chad here with Midlife Classic Cars. Today we're talking about CarTech's brand new Chrysler Slant Six engine rebuild and modify book. This is something I've been waiting for a long time because there's not a week that doesn't go by I have a customer at a show or online ask me for books on Slant Six engines. They're coming up in popularity right now and everyone's asking about it. And this is the book you've been looking for. It is a basic rebuild and modify book, which I would say most of the book is about rebuilding, but the section about modify is really good. A lot of step-by-step color photos. I think there's 500 photos and color charts in there out of 144 pages. And a really great part about the book is the checklist. I really like that. When I work on personal engines for myself, I always make a checklist of everything that needs to get done. And this is a good starting point if you're going to do something like that. If you would like to know more information about this book, just click the link below. Thank you. You can connect with Midlife Classic Cars on social. All the links will be below in the description. Also, just to let you know, all books shipped through Midlife Classic Cars are shipped in boxes. This is our box for inside the United States, and all the books that go inside this box are wrapped in plastic and come with a free sticker. All of our books that are shipped outside of the United States are shipped with a U.S. Global Priority box. We don't ship ever in envelopes. Your books will only come from us in a box. Have a great day.